Cool. Oh, saw that. Man.
He's on a neck. Wait, you just dissed me? I'm perplexed. Insult me in a line, compliment me on the next. Damn, I'm really sorry you want me to have a heart attack. Was watching 8 Mile, I'm on auto track. Realized I forgot to call you back. Here's that autograph for your daughter. I wrote it on a starter cap. Now let's talk about something I don't really do. Go in someone's daughter's mouth stealing food. But you're a fucking molehill. Now I'ma make a mountain out of you. Are you eating cereal or oatmeal? What the fuck's in the bowl, milk? Wheaties or Cheerios? Cause I'm taking a shit in them, Kelly. I need reading material. Dictionary. Yo, Slim. To burn it in front of you, ho. Younger me, no, you don't whack me.
What you got in here,
but
man?
So true.
QZD 510s, salt 8 at 0.35, 160 amp hours at Yinlong, and brand X 320 out.
320 out? Cool, man. Cool.
Thank you.
Nice, man. Sounds good. Two tens? Really?
210s, yes, sir.
What's the box tuned to?
31 or 32 hertz.
Okay, you built it.
Yeah.
Cool, man.
Thank you.
Man, nice build, man. I like it. I like it. Sounds good. Make my little 310 sound terrible.
There you go, Nick.
Still playing, man?
Forgot to start it up. I was wondering why my bunches was dropping. I was like, hey, I don't have those problems. Changes, yeah.
What have you done?
I just changed up the speakers on the side there and everything.
Oh yeah,
on the last show
videos.
Yeah. I changed those up, so they sound really good. Man.
I did. I like it. I appreciate it.